Hello everyone, today I will show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Slack in 2025. This integration is very helpful and it lets you see meetings, get reminders, and update your Slack status automatically. First, let's understand why this matters. Google Calendar integration keeps your team aware of your availability. Slack can show meeting reminders and change your status to in a meeting automatically. Step 1, open your Slack workspace. Click on Apps in the sidebar and search for Google Calendar. Select the official Google Calendar app. Step 2, add Google Calendar to Slack. Click Add to Slack and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you choose the correct Google account. Step 3, allow permissions. Slack will ask for permission to view your calendar events. Approve all required permissions for full functionality. Step 4, customize notification settings. Choose when Slack should send meeting reminders or update your status. This helps reduce unnecessary notifications. Step 5, test the integration. Create a test meeting in Google Calendar. If everything works, Slack will notify you automatically. If you don't see the app, contact your admin. Some workspaces restrict third-party apps. The admin must allow Google Calendar integration. So yeah, integrating Google Calendar with Slack is simple and powerful. Once connected, your meetings and availability stay synced. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.